प्रमाणिक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जुम्मा फिटनेस प्रशिक्षण रोमा मनसुख कहती हैं, मुझे यह कहते हुए खुशी हो रही है कि केरल सरकार ने स्कूल में जुम्मा को बढ़ावा देने की पहल की है। यह एक बढ़िया पहल है क्योंकि आजकल बच्चे कई ऐसी चीजों के आदी हो गए हैं जो उनकी मानसिकता को खराब करती है। जुम्मा उन्हें अपने दिमाग को शांत करने में मदद कर सकता है। यह बच्चों को अपना आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाने में मदद करेगा, क्योंकि यह कैलोरी बर्न करने वाला वर्कआउट है। इसलिए यह वजन प्रबंधन के लिए भी एक अच्छा कदम है।
Many kind of things that ruins their mindset, and I think Zumba can help them to relax their mind or to relieve their stress, and it will definitely help the children to increase confidence as it is a calorie burning workout. So it in weight management also it is definitely it's a good move for weight management also. And but the main part is children communicate with each other, socialize with each other, and they it is like a teamwork doing Zumba. So it will really help the child in the school to maintain the positive relationship with the society as well. So I feel recently I heard a small controversy going in Zumba, that Zumba is like male female thing, some controversy relating that. And also it was I heard that wearing short dresses, like, so I don't feel that doesn't make any point in any field, in not only in sports field, also even in sports field, even we do, like, in any kind of sports children wear short dresses. So till now it doesn't has created any controversy. So why Zumba, why in the name of Zumba? So I feel that in schools, children are coming with the uniforms, all right, in their uniform or in their sports uniforms. So I think dressing doesn't matter, whatever. So that point is, I think, unnecessarily that point is coming out. So no need of any controversy in this matter, I feel. So promote Zumba for the well-being of the upcoming society. So I feel that it's a great initiative to promote Zumba as in the schools, not even in the schools, also in colleges or in any kind of a group where a group of people, because it is like a total body workout. It helps you, like, you have a lot of fun, you get engaged in that moment, you just forget everything and you relax, and it creates a positive hormone